Student, according to your new syllabus, as I am showing you the different Panda programs. So here is another program that a series to be given. Series is like this one series is there, and there you have to find out the more area from it. Now, how to do that particular program? Okay, how to do that particular program? See here, the program that I have written. Just a moment, it will going to come here. Here the program is there. You find it that here I have given a number of series. Number of series are given here. Different number of series are given, and based on this series, what happened? I want to take out a number that is greater than some particular clause. What is a clause? Clause clause is that that number should be greater than 50,000. So what are the number greater than 50,000 that can be calculated? So let us see that number greater than 50,000 what we will going to have, that we can see, or you can also see that there are some numbers which are greater than 50,000, and that will going to have their own particular specification. That means those the number are greater than 50,000 are there. So those the number which are greater than 50,000 will be calculated, and it will going to show to you. Just a moment, let me take it this side so that you can see both the program properly and the output properly. Now those the position, first it is showing third position. Third position means this. Okay, third position is this. Next what? Fifth position. Then it comes to the fifth position. After the fifth position, then it comes to which position? Then it comes to your sixth position. Then the seventh position. After the seventh position, then it comes to the eighth position. So after eighth position, there is no values is such that only one value is left, that is in the place of 13th position. So these are the values which you can see it. Those the numbers are greater than what? 50,000. Now here the conclusion or the particular idea that you have taken, that I have shown you, that the value you can change according to your wish, according to your requirement, you can change it. Okay, you can change them. Now as you can change them, suppose 50,000, I am changing now it as a 65,000. Okay, 65,000. Now let us run the program and see what the program is showing to you. Yes, the program is needed to be stored, so it is been stored, and after storing, save. Okay, so here you see those the values which are greater than 65,000, that is showing to us. Okay, so those the same values. Now suppose I am changing it to 70,000. If I make this one as 70,000, 70. Okay, now let us run the program. Okay, is it? Have you seen the changes? So those are the ways that you can do the program, and you can use the program by giving a several condition based on it. Okay, several conditions that I have given greater than. If I give you a less than, then it will be less than. Okay, so as per the condition that you will apply, based on that condition, the output you are seeing here, those the three different phases I have shown you in front of you. I have changed the three ways they has been, and they are giving out the three output. Three pattern of outputs are there based on the equations that has been executed, and that has been given in this particular conditional part. Okay, so this is how you can implement the condition, and you can use the condition to complete the particular program. This is a series. What is a conditional search? Okay, it is your conditional search that has been implemented in this particular condition area. So different conditional search is there. Based on the different conditional search that I have shown you, it has executed those things and it has given. So this one and this one is same, because previous one is 50,000, next one was 60,000. So it was 67,000, so it came afterward 70,000, so it has removed. Okay, so this is how you can do the execution of the program. This is how you can work with the program. So I think this particular condition is clear to you, based on which the three output has been executed, and we get the three output from here.